Hello, handsome boys and beautiful girls. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today, we will study together chapter number 3, the workbook part. And likewise, we will revise the chapter also. Okay. So, you have to open your workbook to page number 19, where you will find worksheet number 2. Students, as you all know that after completing the chapter, we solve the workbook, and from the workbook, we solve together only some questions. The rest you have to solve by your own. Fine. I have taken some all variety of the sums, and we will revise likewise also. Fine. So from page number 19, we have the question 1. Multiply using expanded form, and from there I have taken a sum. Okay, expanded form, you know, no students, you have to expand a certain number. Like this is the number, you have 4-digit number, so you have 3 in the units place, 2 in the tens place, 500 place, and 4 in the thousands place. So the expanded form will be 4,520 and 3. Fine, so I'll expand and then multiply. So first I'll write 4,000, then 520 and then 3. And in between there is an addition sign. And the whole in the bracket will be multiplied by 4. Now this 4 will go with 3, then this 4 will go with 20, 4 will go with 500 and 4 will go with 4,000. Okay, so we will have like this in the bracket. Don't forget to write the brackets. Okay, so 4 is going to 4,000 plus 500 into multiplied by 4 plus 20 multiplied by 4 plus 3 multiplied by 4. Okay, now you know 4 4s are 16 and then 3 0, then plus 5 4s are 20 and then 2 0 is there, then 4 2s are 8 and 1 0 and 3 4s are 12. Okay, now you have to add this. Now remember students, I have told to make it easier step, I have told you that we will add the first and the third number. Okay, you can do like that also. You can add as you are as it is convenient to you. So here I find that 16 plus 2 will give me 18, so it will be 18,000, and then 80 plus 12 will give me 92. So I have done like that way. Now 18,000 plus 92 is 18,092. Fine. Now moving on to the next question, that is 2. I have taken from the second part, multiply using column method. Now this was expanded form. Now I have taken the column method. What do you do in column method, students? Yes, you have your columns, that is the place value chart. Yes, so from that I am solving the A part. That is, you have to multiply 5,258 by 7. So 7 8s are 56, 6 and 5 carried over. 7 5s are 35 plus 5 40. So 0 here and 4 carried over. 7 2s are 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 8 here and 1 carried over. 7 5s are 35 and 1 36. Okay. So my answer is 36,806. Fine. The third A part, this is which method, students? Do you remember? Yes, it is a lattice method. It is 4-digit multiplicand with 1-digit multiplier. Okay, so we will, you know, we have 4 columns and 1 row. So 4 5s are 20, and likewise the orange ones are representing what? They are representing tens place. Yes, and the green ones are representing the ones place. Yes, so we will start the multiplication. 4 5s are 20. So 0 in the ones place and 2 in the tens place. 4 1s are 4. So it's only 1 digit, 4 in the ones place. 4 6s are 24. So 4 in the ones place, 2 in the tens place. Then 4 3s are 12. So 2 in the ones place and 1 in the tens place. Okay. Now is my sum over, students? No, you have to do addition now. So I'll add 0, that is 0 plus nothing will give me 0. Then 2 plus 4 is 6. and 4 here, then 2 plus 2 is 4 and 1 here. Okay, so my answer is 14,460. Okay, now you have to open the page 20 wherein the worksheet number 3 is there. From there I have taken 1C, that is 4-digit multiplicand with 3-digit multiplier. Okay, previously we saw 2-digit multiplier, now it's 3-digit multiplier. So I have my columns till lakhs, okay, and I have placed them, and I will start with the multiplication from the extreme right. Fine. 8 ones are 8 is there, 8 ones are 8, 8 6 are 48, so 8 and 4 carried over, 8 threes are 24, yes, and plus 4 will give me 28, then 0 is there, 4 ones are 4, and 4 ones are 4, 4 6 are 24, 4 and 2, and then 4 3s are 12, plus 2 will give me 14, yes. Now I am multiplying by 200. Okay, now 2 I'll multiply by every digit. No, so it's 200, so we will have 2 zeros. Fine. 2 ones are 2, again 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12, so 2 here and 1 carried over. 2 3s are 6 and 1 7. Fine. These are our 3 partial answers. Now we will add them all. So here we will have the addition sign. Okay. Now 8 plus 0 is 8. 8 plus 4 will give me 12. So 2 and 1 carried over. 8 plus 4 12, 13 14 and 1 15. 5 and 1 carried over. 8 plus 2 10 and 4 plus 1 5. So 10 plus 5 is 15. 5 and 1 carried over. 4 and 4 8 and 1 9. And 1 plus 7 will give me 7. Sorry, 1 plus 8, 7 will give me 8. Fine. So my answer is 8,95,528. Okay. Now moving on to the next part from page number 21, worksheet number 4. It's a word problem. Now I suppose you have 3 word problems. I have taken 1 and the rest you have to solve. Okay, it's easy, students. First B. The price of the box of a box, matlab एक box of cookies is rupees 135. Find the cost of 65 such boxes of cookies. So I told you for multiplication, the information for one quantity is given and you have to find for many quantities. That's why you will have repeated addition and that's why you will have multiplication. एक से ज़्यादा में जाना है ना, so you have multiplication. Okay. So having our statement, that is solution, cost of one box is rupees 135. Okay. So cost of such 65 boxes. Boxes कितने हैं? 65. So उसका cost ढूंढने के लिए you have to multiply 65 by 135. Okay. And here we go with the place value chart. And we will start multiplication then. 5 5s are 25. So 5 and 2 carried over. 5 3s are 15, 16, 17, 7 and 1. 5 ones are 5 and 1 6. Then you are multiplying by 60. So 0 here. 6 5s are 30. 0 and 3 carried over. 6 3s are 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay. 1 and 2 carried over. 6 ones are 6 and 8. Fine. Now addition of the 2 partial answers. 5 plus 0 is 5. 7 plus 0 is 7. 6 plus 1 is 7 and 8. So my answer is 8,775. Fine. So my final answer statement is total cost of 65 boxes of cookies is rupees 8,775. Okay. So if I want to buy 65 boxes of such cookies, I have to pay the shopkeeper 8,775 rupees. Okay. Now we will move on to the page number 22, wherein we have worksheet number 5. Okay. Here it's a mental maths problems and some of the statements I've taken. Okay. Let's see. The first is if 67,549 multiplied by 2 is 1,35,098, then what is 67,549 multiplied by 400. Now observe it, students. You have certain number multiplied by 2 and then the same number is multiplied by 400. Okay. Now we have options, 4 options you have. Now let's see. What the question says is, if it's multiplied by 2, you have this answer. Then what is the same number multiplied by 400? So it's deemed or it's compulsory that the first information you have to use in solving the question. Fine. This is a relationship question. Okay. So the first is 1,35,998 multiplied by 200. So I think that this information we are using, this number is there and you have to multiply by 200. So I suppose, see first of all, this number I'll break down as the number multiplied by 2 into 200. So this is 400. Okay. And this number multiplied by 2, we have the answer, that is 1,35,900. So I'll place, so I suppose the first one is the answer. Then also we will check the rest of the options. Okay. See, this is invalid because this is 400 here. 2 into 200 means 400. 400 multiplied by this answer. No. The question is, what is this number multiplied by 400? So this is the wrong option. And the third option again, it's 400. Now this is a valid option, you can say, but here I will not consider the C option because the first information is not used in solving the sum. I told you this is a relation type of question. You have to use the first information for finding the second answer. Are you getting it? So C is also not valid. So D1, again this is 400 and the number is all itself is twice the number. So D is also not valid. So my answer will be the first part. Fine. Now the second question. Place the appropriate sign in the expression which says that 2 multiplied by 100. Here you have to place the appropriate sign. 2 added to 99 times 2. So what is this exactly? We will see. 2 added means plus sign. 2 99 times. Times hota hai to which operation you do? Yes, you do multiplication. Fine. So we will have 2 plus 99 multiplied by 2. 99 multiplied by 2 is 198. 198 multiplied by 2 is 200. Yes, and this is 2 multiplied by 100 is also 200. So my answer will be not A, not B, but C, that is equal to. Fine. Now moving on to the fourth question I have taken. A shopkeeper brought 405 apples. If the cost of one apple, एक apple का cost कितना है? 10 rupees. Then the total cost is what? So 10 rupees, no? So I can say 4,050 will be the total cost. Likewise only I can say. Now we will see the options. So it's the options we have and my answer is, I know that it is 4,050. Now we will see. Okay. This is what? 40,500. So this is the wrong answer. D is the wrong answer. Okay. Now this is 4,000 and 50 rupees. So I suppose the C will be the answer. It's 4,050, no? So let's keep it aside and check the rest option. We will cross check whether we are right or wrong. Okay. Now the B part. 40 rupees and 50 paisa. No, that 50 paisa to nahi hai. Okay. And then 4 rupees 410 plus 5. So it's 15 and 400 multiplied by 15, it will give me so many rupees. So A is also not the answer. So my answer is C. Fine. Now the error part I have taken. Spot the error. Okay. Rahul read a book in 20 days. 20 दिन में he reads a book. He read 16 pages every day for the first 15 days. So first 15 day what he does, in every 15 day he reads 16 page. Each day he reads that. And 18 pages every day for the last 5 days. 15 plus 5 is 20 days. Okay. And the book is of 18 plus 16 plus 18 pages ka book it would be. So in the 20 days, First 15 days he reads 16 pages every day, and in the last 5 days he reads 18 pages every day. So the expression would be 16 multiplied by 15. 16 pages for 15 days plus or addition of, and then 18 pages for 5 days. And this is the whole expression for 20 days. Okay. Fine, students. I hope you have understood the chapter. With this, we come to the end of the third chapter, that is multiplication. And from the next video, we will start a new chapter. Fine. Thank you.